Yes.
Yes.
Nonsense. Nonsense. Nyansa.
Bawumia.
It's not for him.
And I'm going to say,
No.
Nyansa be no wa ono enti ono Nyansa ta Akufo-Addo. Obeso so obedi president no why adwuma ta Akufo-Addo ana. 2 minutes na kasa.
Yes, power is speaking. Amen.
2 minutes na da.
The power is speaking.
Right. Abusafo ma church ya munyina ho na me ma munyina akwa ba. Straight away ho. Ya na enye se asofo na manisa wo na mempa asofo asem da bi enye sa netie. Na ya soso nsamfo so wo ma ne ho ache so ho. Ya gige sebe nipa wonum nim nyansa so ache. All in the name of say. Nipa ne ka so wo sofo quickly. As a entitlement. Nti atimi atoto so amanne abato a onipa de na dwen na obi ye campaign na ye salai koto aba no a stage say anne abato no the voters no mokokromotu no enye no ne make decision nemum yetimi develop a certain level of bragging enkwasi asemu a enyansanim patrotie nie pa nyese bia me attack ni pa no person but we are attacking the message in some form nyansanim asemu a eye enye nyansasem yemfa ntete nkora ma ne ye gitum se abato ne yetoro na nipa sala ato no eye hunhum asem asofo bebre kekasa ankwase asem ni bi go man no but I mean akwa we asem na me de be gina so aka se me attack no personality but me face fact to ne nsamfo a wo keka ema enye nyansasem to the sense se wo mpese obi be president a nyansamu in fact, so akwa we nim nyame a nyansa mu na nyame ma na dwen se motena se na mo ye constitution na mo say democracy before ansa no bi ba be di nipa dodo na wo kasa kire wo na wo mote wase wo beto aba ma ti nyame mfa ho enye won na ye hwe se nka nyame na eyi obi oto aba enka wo me enkosa lie enka wo obi ma ye campaign kire wo eti se eduru mre bi na ye nyampanimfo ti bon kosofo na wonum nim nyansasam wo fom na de omunimu an say omu create a scenario omu create some strategic way for them to attract cash said ye be na enipa no a Ghana for do no betimi aka se yenkoto abo manipa we no na wono no nsa be hye sa nipa nanum na watimi anya no ho se sika se tam patroti de America no many nsa sofo so obi yesofo ne ha me but wono nsa mfon Ghana for asofo no bi nsamfo no sebe wono mo agimi samu anyansa nim unse ade ye gimi no hu de onfa enkatakata ho is that supported obi sofo obi be ka kire me say wono betimi a stop election a wode kwose hunhum de kwose nyame emra obeka se bi ye me constituency me area me mo bi anto aba man fi say onimpefe say kokromoti e determine who become president. This I will say, we are 2 bonkoso. I ain't too sad, but whom we are say. Not just say, wow, Costa lie to no, we Jimmy for the sense. Or move us over just say, why, yeah, to a banner. Based on woman, fame or more on some form of canon. And it doesn't make sense or do cook with crab to a baby. A didn't ya because we are living in a society. Nipa and do such a woman more drain. It is such charlatans and such characters like this Kofi Amponsah, they will create a system. Control merewafo, sesa merewafo gugu omadam, merewafo bebre wo dementia, merewafo bebre wo depression. Na wo ye confused in the system. Na wo di wo mani mu wo dwen se wo kanya nsasem. In fact, we are software as usual. Obeke kansamfon no wadi afa no wadi. Na de menti ase ne say then you are cursing Bawumia. Who cursing is say? I mean, I don't get it. Se Bawumia incompetent. It is why incompetent. Ye nipa na ese koto abetia no with their kokromoti power. Adie to me. Adie kra ne chese miseducation. Diabolic, intentional, creating, orchestrating lines. You see, fictitious intentions from these weak-minded people calling themselves men of God. What is this at all? Who are these people? Now, Bema yo de friend Kofi Amponsah. Okofa de mampontin gura mu ha, wo de merafo na kokungura mu ho, as usual. Obren wo hye wo mo, owi a obeto collection. Amana feel say wo pagya na beti, ofi say o kanya nsasem. Ade ya Bawumia say o na wa kese Bawumia, wo de yenti to aso.
Asema me tumi so me kasa. Yes.
Yes.
Osi ansa fa mama no ma no dia. Nonsense. Nonsense. Wouldn't nyansa. Who comes up Bawumia say?
Bawumia.
O man nyane dia.
It's not for him.
Anam ka se kwasa fo.
No.
Nyansa be no wa no enti ono nyansa ta gufu ado. Obeso te so obedi president no why adwuma ta gufu ado ana. 2 minutes na kasa.
Yes, power is speaking. Amen.
2 minutes na head.
The power is speaking.
Asase mama me 2 minutes na kasa.
Amen.
Who you oba dey free wa? Asase e na wo.
So say me catch say obia person was scare wa what the sunsun we as na scare wo. Afi we church member na say obi so hunu nyanza wahun samfo okeka. Afi de oni say say asase ne de ase ne ase to me be power bi ne e kasa kire me. Onso for no nim nyanza. We wo so for no so onim nyanza o. Ono ka kire ba omiansa ba omianu nyanza. We onso no onim nyanza. So we na politician timi kon ho say ye beje mpai bo wo akoa we Kofi Amponsah we na Pentecost no kwa wotimi tena mu ankompa mo Kofi Amponsah timi ye papa Pentecost no omo yini sinchen we enso nim say brebi atwam no ne crusade man NPP o sa akwa we eti na me ya na me trechi asofo no ho sa omo pa bibia free politicians no omo nsa nka ho no omo nyansa ye adwuma pachuti de meka no eti wo so sofo bia ni abre na me woboa sika na ama o man fa one fi no eti we di o ye me say into say enkoto aba no o pekwan bia ma MPP fo na soma me akohuna na say Dr. Bawumia ko campaign no wakosra na ene na no dwom wo hwe wo su bempa shame on to these people na wo gan na ya me busa say eti enkosi dabei nanti ye be nyansafo ne ate ase se ade bia ye hunu wiase bia ye nipa nyansa ne na dwunum ne ye de ye enkosi dabei enkosi dabei enenti asofo akohwefo we nipa be hunu nyansa hunu se wonum nim nyansa na ye de on be di wo mafu ene wo mo fe mo mo pentia ene de abato du a just ye bo obi dia na nyame ena me kese no otimi ni president. Look at these people. This is just say it doesn't make sense. Who are we? Tida be na so fu egu Ghana be hunu nyansa kakra. Da be ne tie be jai sansan fo kekan ne ye hunu say ye de nyansa ne to aba eti nipa no yen check nipa no president kro no aneniema wo ye yen check the track record. Sa so fu akohwifo be twe omo afiri abato mu nkosi da be ne be hunu nyansa sa abato eye nipa ne salai ne ato aba nkosi da be e dey sem kra ne nsamfo keka from left and right. Why? This is sad. Adey very painful, very shameful to them. We are Christiania, bow your head down in shame, because it cannot be possible say any power adwene da yetirim na ye ya ne ye be politics na afredi ye nya won mo claim say nyame no mo kasa pakemere wafo kogugu ho na wo matwa mo create a certain scene say me bowdia me kesel and abato away me na me kirem and nyame yi a kirem adifo akohwifo ne asofo akromfo a mo nka no kore mo nim be guase tie de me ka kire no. This is terrible. Who are these people? Until when will these black people, this charlatan, weak and corrupt leadership like this, men of religion, men of God, so-called self-acclaimed men of God, will learn sense to understand the realities of this world? When? Such a wicked and, myopic thinkers. This is sad. Every day, every corner, you hear these weak people claiming to be strong, shallow-minded people calling themselves men of God, cannot keep their mouth shut because your mind, your intelligence is at stake now. And now you say nkoda na twetwe mu say munnim nyansa asofo egu Ghana munyansa sam wo fom. If you say abato ye nipa adwen na to aba. Munyansa sam wo fom do Ghana asofo. Munyansa sam asa mo adwen nyina ye mre nti bibia ye nyame na asoma mo. Munnim nyansa Ghana asofo. Munyansa sam asa wo ton. The young people now ebano because we are going to make sure say we will expose your nonsense. This is sad. Who are these people? So you are cursing out a politician. No, for what? For that person not to be president. For what? Who? Why a bit about cases na yet? Why? These are a public ridicule, a public insinuations, and I mean it does not have any yield, a new results. But the painful part, and they say, organizing your parents and brainwash you. Such a weak people. This is sad. This is sad.
Amen.
So why? A whole just a penny I say you respect. Oh my Bawumia ni president say we vote yes say. Logically, ni ba wadwen obebusa so papa vote yes say. Bema, wa pede wa beti kunta vote yes say ba ko. E den na be influencer na wo. E na o mani ni president say. Nti we preaching. So my culture say sorry dem one asan o. The aka say mo enwan kakra na aka de be pie free ho. Nyansasem bia nu free ho ba. Today in Ghana, nyansasem bia nu free sorry dem pie. Samfun kwa majority. Omo ya no say de beto highway ni so. E tai. We ye nku asefo. O mani ni president say we ye hwan. Who are you? Say Bawumia e competent enough na followers nso meto aba mana. Who are you? Baronim sanko okase ko to aba na ma Bawumia ni enya president kame ni problem. But as usual, ti baby o de ba befa.
On can't chat about me. I said, "Mimi, just me when the president."
Amen.
Say the Lord.
Say what is here?
Mon can't chat about me. I'm saying, "Some it's just me, I'm just me." On the president.
You said I'm president.
Amani Anidia.
No, Yenidia.
Amani Anidia.
And Yenidia. Never.
On the young son of our Kufuado.
Power is.
Because of them, maybe any Ghana home. With the Bema Power Sally. Come in.
Amen.
Oh.
Yeah, the fact is, Nyansani bia no obeka de oken. Obia no awadwen a obeye de akwa we. Eni tuna I say sa wo gada ajimifo wo gada enkwakofo madwen mu omra. E ma wo nyansani o. I mean, do gada ya mambisa o. Eno ne ya ne dada Ghana sofo ne say me woni nipa etie mi. People listen to you are so gullible, they are so dumb, or we are weak, hungry people, poor people, and they are listening to you. They are not intelligent people. Because what's about Nyansani Bian will be able to say, who is this person? Are they America attention? Oh, you'll be in Casa said the makers. Nobody is going to talk the way you are talking, Mr. Man. Because the Awokana, it doesn't make sense. Nyansanim. Where you are prophet. You can only be prophet in the face of Unkofu, and yes, shallow. Say. So if you say, we no crap modiety, any logical analysis. So no crap say, Aquawi, or no, Yankupanani, no whatever they be a for Bawumia, papa. And then I will change a body president. No one can't say we are singing. I say, Bawumia saying what's the idea or your mind in it. And I want to ask you. Oh, Chairman Bawumia be the president answer. What kind of hypocrisy is this? What kind of hypocrisy is this? Who are these people? A very shame. It's a shame to say the Christianity. Sometimes people think, say, oh, at the moment, Christopher, these people are not Christians. So these are crooks and It's a gamblers. Omo ye gamblers. Omo ye cha-cha 12. They omo play gambling with the minds of the people. Omo ye Christopher. I mean, wo no ye. Wa wo do omo cha audience omo ye Christopher. Nti ye kana. Wo ta Christopher. Asofo egu Ghana nya Christopher. Omo ye gamblers. Cha-cha 12 no matiti. Register companies o. Mumu no. What? So what be waduma dey make on tiase. We mo ye Christopher. Ah. Na die no omo ye wa Ghana asase so a. It's even in the Bible, no crow more kind a replicate obi or Bible. Way more. Ana muye hunfo ni ntina mu hu ana. Baro me to as say who won't be, so you can't decide. Yeah, watching that we can determine to analyze them, we can observe them. Because the fact is, when you're so phone as war ye Christoni papa, we are they it will young component me am one chere was the Ghana for a wo Bawumia or the best say Ghana than to curse me out. Me man in your president. Whoa. This is terrible. And we need to stop this nonsense. And we are Christian, so we'll be using the name of Christianity to do this nonsense in the street. What is
speaking? Don't think about a nation.
Shaha and a man holy. Now, Caboso.
There is no man, Ghana.
Said your rather silly.
Thou says the Lord.
Come in.
Amen.
Must you all forget it?
To forget.
When we are fashion and in Beku as when the president of our work.
Amen.
Come.
Just look at this. I mean, just look at this. A quabi or befaso am about me and guase. Now, what is this? Why? So, Ubetuma ye niema we ya na se enya wa ho de na se ampa se wo sunsun bi na de be ya. Do you need to come and tell us like this? And when am me who so e am me respect to omu bia no. If truly you know say Bawumia was secrecy bi wa ya de bi enye. O man ni president. Fair enough. Do you need to come and tell us? Wo de kanokro wa officer me ye nipa boni ni kanokro. Eti sa wo bibi na ma Bawumia ni president ya. What is all catch race say? What you preach was sorry them say because you was secret in na. Unim the obe ya Bawumia ni president. But unim, because of say they know say Ghana politics, predictable. We are winning, we be winning. It would ka be can we na ye to aba ni we na Bawumia winning or say me catch say man ni president. On kura agro wo matem. Also me catch Ghana so for ni nyansa obe catch bia meta wo mo. Wo mo ni nyansa wo. Because they always play the emotions of the people. They just play with the emotions of the people. Akikaki cancer just in common with the ding combo was a mere software. It was software pass and pass one we are seeing yansa. And the be been about me on any president here. As I saw Becca na question no. We a church member said na papa. I don't know what you now over Cassa say, number of Yamra a strategy. Any software did they actually or train or kick away Nanka Bawumia for na corner. MP funds will be on because of politics on any superstition and son of my own. The Amanofono drew on a crown, Omunians are some more formtino. Omuma software will kind take advantage of their thinking because politician if is Oko use software, son of software is only say, Oko use a politician, no. Do me or do you? Tomorrow, my kind of electoral voters, no, any church members, no, a more ye sacrifice them. But in Yansamu, Senka, Kofi Amponsah, so ye software. Now, oh, Yansawa, dear, ebe and one. And Kawa, one make a cry. Since Obama Bawumia no guase, so many we need lesson. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense at all. It doesn't make sense, Tino.
Amen.
Those who always inquire from God, you cannot compare to it.
Amen. 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 Can never compare with you. It's not wise that anyone in Ghana here.
That
is me.
Kofi back Kofi Amponsah.
Amen.
Yes.
Right. Enti utiera small kanwa. the Ninas or Sammy up or say any one on Eka, and you know what they as usual, who we are, yes, sir. To one say, Opus old Pia, whom we are saying, Bemua, Bibia, just so I can't to a bontain. Just what be Joe and one son, and whom wanted to me, why the Oyana, opening Kofi Amponsah. We are shame to the church. You are a shame to Christianity. Na mo na mo ye part mo Christianity and mo egu asen kakra mo wie ye enche. Cause enen koda ni nyina afọ mo ho adwen. Akamere wafo na mo keep wo mo. Wo so wo days are numbered. No afọ de ame enche wo nyina wo beko. That's how nature works. So, the young people never no omo ho a ombesere mo. Visa mo nyansa sem wo fom dodo. Obi a wo nyansa pa wo ho a enka Bawumia yade bi ye risky. Na ye very bad. Once I say, obedi Ghana for anyone, and can you don't wait for him to become a president? So I could pay election answer. Why you're president for over 8 years, almost 8 years now. To watch it, I'm an sell mine. Now we'll change or could be president and no good anymore. Say now politicians, the Yanfanyamo Ghana for politicians, Yanfanyamo is there. One, I'm also so for you so. With our software didn't say moon, Nenyan some cry. Na mota omochi fi say mo fi so mo carry numbers ti nyanyansa bio na de to aba eda ye beja sansamfo no eda mo beja sansamfo tan keka no ye be respect mo munyansa se mo asa dodo Ghana asofo munyansa se mo asa dodo munnim nyansa mo nka wiase hu mo predodo Ghana fo asofo munyansa se mo asa mo mansamfo nko na pie free mo nsori dem. When it comes to the street it doesn't make sense. Opa check dwena ho na we it is a yes na mo de ye adwuma na ye munim nyame a obeye bibia je so be ka kire ye. Must you come and tell us say you can disgrace Bawumia obema na nim aguase, you can curse him out? Must you come and tell us? It's because you are leading fools, and the fools will always worship a fool. Senyansani wo ha anka magi microphone no na mabusa akosa say openi na susu ampa say senye wo homoden ene nya wo na wo kasa na tumi bi na de wo kasa. Must you come and tell us? Someone cannot tell you what to go and do to Bawumia. You have to stop him from the campaign. Mo ye hypocrite, mo ye nyaachonfo, mo nka no kore. Sikantia we walk kan obenya na Bawumia masoma ni akohwe no. He say office wo ye adwuma papa. Politicians yemfanya mo edam be hunu wiase nyansa na ba systems aye adwuma no. Nsamfo say yente nsamfo bi say Kofi Amponsah, shame unto you. Self-acclaimed Kofi Amponsah prophet, shame unto you. You are a disgrace to the church. You are a disgrace to Christianity. And the reason why, when you're a man for moment to say, most of the people now preach it are gullible. They are shallow-minded people. Or my dream you do. And until now, with me, you can't answer me say. Now, in fact, one more my dream will do a more crown. Say, be a bin nyansa. That's why NPP near. Obey Jow Papa. Visa was some canon and making nyansa same be him. So when you say Bawumia ni nyansa na Bawumia, Ghana ya. O man in kwaye campaign crown kwa dada ni pansa. I don't know what you to abansa. Say you stop Bawumia. Okay, then watch your back. Kofi Amponsah, watch your back. Mo ye disgrace. Mo twem ye ho kire ye wie e na mo be pretend say nyame ne mo kasa. Shame on to Ghana Ɔsɔfo. Mo nka no kore. De mo be die nti mo ma ye ho kire ye. Mo ma manyofo do you see ye wie no mo ba be twatoro say nyame ne mo akasa. Now one day you guys will pay the price. Because no kore ne say Ɔsɔfo egu Ghana kwan mo de Ghana hia for so no. Eda wonu mani betie no, won be punish mo. Eda nipa na gu nsori dem ani betie no, on be punish mo. Tie ni ye pa. Nyame bia mfrɛ mo. Muni proof bia dia ka na belief system fear. Se nipa ne hunu nyansa, muntimi na ada wonum biu. Mun sori dem be empty. Enya Ghana nya exceptional. Esi o country be brace. Once I was mo ba America sorry nyina na ya tutum. London mugu ya ni mu ase no do. Eti Kofi Amponsah woye another so-called charlatan prophet ba ko so no. Also obema obegu Bawumia ni mu ase. So we are all waiting for that day. Now dia ye te se wo se ba wa ma Bawumia ni mu anwu ase na se papa e kokko wini election na on. Waso ye beye hye no. Waso ye beye hye no. Na ye monitor na se NPP so soma me ye ba ho a ye behu. Ye behu. Because I am daily active mu daily tactics. Ɔsɔfo bi sha se so obubom pɛ na ɔmasoma me akɔhwɛ no. Na nsɔre ma na obɛka kyerɛ no apɛ bibi foforo na wakeka agum. Ene megira Kofi Amponsah so na me dey send a signal, a caution to Ghana for say they should get prepared because in the internet the boys are going to mount pressure and we'll make sure say every deception, every superstition, every lies and propaganda, we will shut it down. It doesn't matter the obey you. We will train the boys to attack the message and not the messenger. This is the reason. So your friend what sheba. Ya no like share video no like video na mai. Me da say. You better aso da foforo.
Honest pro artisans in AGAD. Trust us. Who so damn quadia. Trust us. You bet. Boga proof na. You bet yamo. Barristers na shishe. You bet yamo. Get ya na. You bet yamo. Trust us. You bet yamo. Se who pay kitchen cabinet. Trust us. You bet yamo. Se who pay wardrobes. Ewo wo dem more. Trust us. You bet yamo. Opeso di nuya good dance wana. Na se upese upu bia mana boso ama de nchense aguso ama wa freyen ye be ya ama ala se upeso ye kopi na freyen ye be ya ama bromba na freyen ye be ya ama e be si usenka ma e do baf betu subesi ho ama e dia na pa wunya free till e artisans ho e ho electricians ana freyen ye be nya electrician papa ama wa wodan enhye ama upu bia mana ye Steve Bena Fraying, Yabayamo, Messiana, would ye trust us, Yabayamo. Dear now, pass your wounds ya till you in to in your mouth.